Hi everyone. I'm going to show you how to use breakout rooms in Zoom. Right now I'm on a computer. If you use a smartphone to get on Zoom, it will look a little different. So first, my teacher will put me in a breakout room. Okay, now I got an invitation. The host is inviting you to join breakout room 1. I need to click the blue button, Join. Now I am going to the breakout room, and usually I will see some other classmates there. It might take my classmates a few minutes or seconds to join the group. Right now my screen is small, so I'm going to click Maximize. And now here, there are a few different things you can do. Like always, you can mute yourself or unmute yourself. You can turn your video off or back on, but it's better to have your video on if you can. Some other things you can do are ask for help. So sometimes in your breakout room, you might have a question. Maybe you don't understand something. So usually the teacher is not with you in the room all of the time. So if you have a question, you need to let the teacher know. The way you do that is clicking Ask for Help. Then click Invite Host. That will send the teacher a message that you need help and you want him or her to come join you. Also, like the big room, you can also chat with each other. Just click Chat. Now you can type a message to the people in your group. So I can type Hi and click Enter. This message will only go to the people in your group. The whole class doesn't see your message, just your group. So one more thing you can do is share screen. This is really helpful if your teacher gives you a worksheet or wants you to look at something together. So what you need to do is click Share Screen. And then I want this first option. So all I need to do is click Share. Now everyone can see my computer. One last thing I want to show you is how to annotate. Annotate means you can write on the screen. So this is nice if you are doing a worksheet, you can write the answers on your screen. So you click Annotate. Now you can draw, so I can make a smiley face. Not super easy, but it's okay. But you can also type if you click Text and then click somewhere on the screen. Then you can type something. All right. The important thing, if you want to stop annotating, you can click this red X. All right, that's all I'm going to show you for now. If you have any questions, you can always ask your teacher or the adult education staff. Bye-bye, everyone.